Hi students, good evening to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about formal charge. Regarding this, students are facing some problems how to calculate formal charge. But now I am giving to you one excellent trick. Without applying formula you can do it. Yeah, follow. Now, for example, the element is a carbon. The carbon in the given compound may be methane or a methyl group or carbanion or carbocation. These are all. For the carbon, the formal charge is 0 or plus 1 or minus 1. How to write? Yeah. So now first of all, in case of carbon, the carbon having 4 covalent bonds. If all 4 covalent bonds are bond pairs, there is no lone pair, then the carbon having the formal charge is 0. We have 0 formal charge. Formal charge is 0. Right. Next one. If the carbon having 3 bonds and the 4th bond is present as a lone pair, then we have 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, then the formal charge of carbon is minus 1. Formal charge of carbon is minus 1. Okay. Next. If the carbon having 3 bond pairs and 1 positive charge, that means here the 4th bond pair, the neutral molecule, the 4th bond pair is it lost and gets positive charge. Then we have the formal charge is plus 1, 3 bond pairs and 1 positive charge is there, 1 positive charge. Right? Yeah. Next one. For nitrogen, the same manner. For nitrogen have ammonia. If the 3 bond pairs are there and 1 lone pair is there, if we have just the trick is 1 lone pair is the nitrogen, the formal charge of nitrogen is 0. The nitrogen having 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs are present. 2 lone pairs are present. Okay, 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs are present. If 2 lone pairs are present, the nitrogen have this lone pair is present the negative charge. Then it is have minus 1 formal charge. The nitrogen have 4 bond pairs are there. 0 lone pairs. Lone pairs are 0. Lone pairs are 0. So then the formal charge of nitrogen is plus 1. It have 4 bond pairs and it have 2 bond pairs and it have 3 bond pairs. With respect to lone pairs, we have to keep in our mind. Right? Next one, another element, oxygen. In case of oxygen, so oxygen having, if it have 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs are there. If it have 2 lone pairs, then the formal charge of oxygen is 0. If oxygen having 2 lone pairs and 1 is a negative charge, that is a negative charge, then the formal charge there is totally 3 lone pairs. Okay, it is not exactly there is a negative charge. Then you have to just keep it on mind like that. Then this formal charge is minus 1. Then the oxygen having 3 bonds but only 1 lone pair is present. Only 1 lone pair is present. Then the formal charge of oxygen is plus 1. So 2 lone pairs 0. 3 lone pairs minus 1. 1 lone pair plus 1. That is right. Next one. If in case of halogens, say for example fluoride, right? So in case of fluoride, F, any halogen. So that fluoride have 1 bond pair and 3 lone pairs are present. Then the formal charge of fluoride is 0. If you have 3 lone pairs and the 4th one bond is present as a negative charge, then it is a minus 1. If the fluoride have here 3 bonds and here, so this is bond and 2 lone pairs are present. 2 lone pairs. Okay, and this is present as exactly how to say it is present as a positive charge. Okay, that is. So then you have to just take it as it is a 2 lone pairs are present here, and this is also present as it is also participating in bond formation. It is participating in bond. It is also participating in bond. It is also participating in bond. and this parts it is also present as a participating bond. Then it is get over here. So here how many one bond pair? 3 lone pairs, formal charge 0, and 4 lone pairs are there, formal charge is -1. And here 3 bond pairs, this is one is there here. This is now you get a positive charge, you get it. Got it, my dear students? Is it clear? Okay, fine now. Right. So this is the things how to keep in our mind. Now we'll do some examples. Yeah. In case of NO3 minus, what is the formal charge of nitrogen and oxygen, they will ask. So nitrogen single atom, and it have 3 oxygens. So one is a double bond oxide, other one is a remaining 2 are coordinated oxygen atoms, right? So wherever coordinated oxygen atoms is there the oxygen having 3 lone pairs are present. The normal oxygen is 2 lone pairs are present. Okay. So now here, what is the formal charge of nitrogen? This is will give first nitrogen, it is the second nitrogen, it is the third oxygen atom. First, second, third oxygen, it is a nitrogen. For nitrogen, the formal charge of nitrogen is, because here nitrogen have 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. 4 bonds is there is a +1. Then formal charge of oxygen, first oxygen atom, that is here 3 lone pairs are there. If 3 lone pairs are there, okay, so 3 lone pairs, 1, 2, 3 lone pairs are there, then it is a -1. And second oxygen atom, here also 3 lone pairs are there, -1. And the third oxygen atom, here 2 lone pairs are there, it is a 0. The oxygen having, if it having 2 lone pairs are there, so this is a 0, right? Okay, is it clear? Right? Okay, fine. Next one is another molecule. Take for example SO2 molecule, SO2, sulphur dioxide. So here sulphur, and it is bonded with 2 oxygen atoms, and 1 lone pair is present on sulphur, right? So in this case, in case of SO2 molecule, here this is oxygen have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sulphur. Oxygen have 1, 2. This is 2 lone pairs are present, and here also 2 lone pairs are present. Okay. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Okay. Then this oxygen, what is the sulphur? Sulphur formal charge is here sulphur is nothing but like that of oxygen only. So here 1 lone pair is there. So 1 lone pair is there means it is a +1. And oxygen is, so this oxygen have, this is the first oxygen and it is the second oxygen. For first oxygen 2 lone pairs are 0. For second oxygen 2 lone pairs are there. That is 0. Right? Got it? Is it clear? Next one. So in case of ammonium ion NH4 plus, then what is the formal charge of nitrogen atom? So nitrogen here, it is bonding with 4 hydrogens. So that's why all of 4 bonds are there. So that's why this nitrogen formal charge is 0. Okay. Then you can get it. One more example is Rn. There is nitrogen RNH. So this is our previous. There is R. Nitrogen is bonded to this hydrogen, and here nitrogen having how many lone pairs are there? These 2 lone pairs are there. Nitrogen having 2 lone pairs. Then the formal charge is -1. Okay. Then in case of CN, cyanide group, in case of CN, how to represent this is cyanide group. So carbon and triple bond nitrogen is there, and this carbon have a lone pair, this carbon have no pair because it is a CN minus cyanide ion. So it gain 1 electron. That electron is I just represented here. This electron. So this electron I just represented here, right? So now both carbon have 1 lone pair and nitrogen have 1 lone pair. If carbon having this is 1 lone pair, then it is carbon have, this is the carbon formal charge is -1, and nitrogen also have, this is 1 lone pair is there, the formal charge on nitrogen is 0, right? Is it clear, my dear students? So like this, so any example that is given in our examination, you just follow, I give you 5 examples, you just follow these tricks, then it is very easy to calculate, no need to apply formula, no need to know bond pairs and lone pairs and you have to apply that formula. Just keep these points in our mind. It is very easy. By seeing the question, you have to answer it. Fine. Okay. Oh, thanks for watching my video. Okay. So like it, subscribe it, and share to your friends. Fine.